Carbide Burr tools are rotary cutting tools made from tungsten carbide, a durable and heat-resistant material. They are used with high-speed rotary tools like die grinders or dental drills for precision cutting, grinding, shaping, and deburring. These tools come in various shapes: cylindrical, ball, cone, and more, each suited for specific tasks. They are widely used in industries like metalworking, woodworking, dentistry, and jewelry making for tasks such as metalworking, removing welds, shaping metal, or creating smooth edges; woodworking, carving intricate designs or smoothing rough surfaces; dentistry, cutting and shaping teeth or dental materials; jewelry, engraving or refining detailed patterns. Their hardness allows them to cut through tough materials like steel, aluminum, or stone, while maintaining sharpness longer than steel tools. They're available in single cut for general purpose cutting, double cut for faster material removal, and specialty cuts like diamond cut for finer finishes. For high-quality Carbide Burr tools at a discount, visit our website today and use the promo code below to get 10% off your purchase.